here, and I am not doing unboxing today. I'm doing something completely different. Evereve has this relatively new service called Dressing Room to Go, and I wanted to give it a try. So what it is, it's not a subscription service. You sign up for it on the website, and then what happens is you get styled by your local store based on the feedback you give. You can ask for specific pieces that you might have seen on the website. You can just put your likes and dislikes on there, but they give you 12 to 15 pieces in outfits to try on. Now, the trick is that you have to have an Evereve near you because they let you know when it's ready. You go to the store and just pick it up, and then you take it home for a couple days, try everything on, and then you bring it back to the store. It costs $20 to sign up, but it's absolutely refundable. So if you end up keeping something, it goes to that, or if you keep nothing, you still get refunded your $20. So there is no harm in it, and they just send you the cutest stuff. So the trick is that you have to go to the store to pick it up and then also to bring it back. So it makes sense if you have a store in your area. So what I did is I really wanted to style my sisters Amber and Brace. So I convinced them to let me style them. So they signed up on the websites and I styled them and put all their little outfits together, which was both easy and harder than I thought. Easy because I know their styles, but hard because normally I'd maybe branch them out or they'd try something different. And I felt like I had to stay kind of within what I knew they would like. So anyways, so I brought their stuff back. Oh, also my manager, Jerry Lynn, I had her style me. So we had bags and bags of clothes here, and we had a little try-on party. This is when we could kind of get some people together, not like now where nobody can get together. So this was a couple weeks ago. The trick was that my sisters absolutely did not want to talk on camera, and it was no problem. I videoed all their outfits and I talked a little bit about it. And so tell me what you think on this format. It's a little different, might be a little weird, but just let me know what you think. All right, here goes. I hope you like it. This is my sister Bree. She's 5 years younger than me. She also works in technology like I do, and she is the smart sister. Bree loved these Good American Good Waist crop jeans. The blush cardigan by Peyton Jensen wasn't quite her color, but the Santuary pleated sleeve tee was perfect for her wardrobe. Although the Z Supply Ray Slub sweater dress is so soft, it just didn't quite fit Bree's figure. The Emmy Camo scarf by Harriet was cute and would go with tons of clothes, maybe just not this dress. Bree looked amazing in the Santuary Runway leggings. She also loved how soft the gray Allison Joy Everly off-shoulder pullover was. She looked adorable in this outfit, perfect for a comfy workday. Bree had to take home the adorable t-shirt by Suburban Riot. She also liked the 7 for All Mankind ankle skinny with wave hem jeans. They looked great on her. She wasn't sure that the distressed cardigan by Allison Joy was quite her style though. Bree looked adorable in this Varley outfit. The Sundry leggings and tie-dye were really cute and super soft. The Varley Oakton pullover didn't quite fit her body type, and the Dolce Vita Lottie boots just weren't her style, but it's such a cute outfit. This is my sister Amber. She's a year younger than me. She's a first grade teacher. She loves sparkles and cardigans, and she is the good sister. Amber's favorite color is purple, so she had to take home the Chaser Mika tie-dye sweatshirt, and the Sundry everyday pocket joggers were so soft, she had to keep those too. Amber, Bree, and I all fell in love with the BB Dakota Good in the Hood sweatshirt dress. so cute, so comfortable. The Napoli jacket by Varley was really cute on Amber and she liked it, but the fit wasn't quite right. Amber tried on her John and Jenn Dylan Python hoodie tunic pullover with her Sundry pants, and she liked it. She liked the fit a lot, just wasn't her style. Amber loves sparkles, so I knew I wouldn't go wrong with the Z Supply Vagabond sparkle tank. Even though it's a tiny bit see-through, she fell in love with it. She tried it on with her cut from the cloth Connie ankle skinnies that she had to keep too. Amber liked the Madison seamed pullover shirt by Michael Stars. She also liked the animal print scarf by Harriet Isles. However, she loved the New Balance tennis shoes. They're 574 Leopard sneakers, and she had to take them home. Amber tried on this adorable Elton John t-shirt by Daydreamer with her cut from the cloth jeans. She loved the Cardi coat by Line and Dot, except for she thought that the color matched her skin tone a little too closely, but wished we had it in a different color. The whole outfit with the Sorel Lennox boots though was super cute. This is me, I'm Shauna. I work in technology, I have 2 kids, and I like to think I'm the funny sister. This Allison Joy tank is a staple in my wardrobe. I have a couple of them. The BB Dakota sweater is so fuzzy, the video doesn't do it justice. It's so fun. And then these cut from the cloth Mia ankle skinnies are my favorite. Mia's seem to always look good on my particular body type. I didn't think this Peyton Jensen Leopard button down was really my style, but it actually ended up looking really cute on. I was really surprised. I'm sorry, I didn't like anything about this. I didn't love the Varley jacket that much. I mean, it would have been cute maybe with a different outfit. I don't like leggings on me. The motos are great on everyone else but me, and the tunic just wasn't anything special. Back to the drawing board. I love these cut from the cloth camo pants. They were surprisingly comfortable. And this 525 America cold shoulder sweater. I don't usually love cold shoulder, but this was so cute and kind of elegant date night to me. This whole outfit was adorable. The Santuary Carlisle coat is so perfect and versatile and lovely. The Sundry Leopard hoodie on its own, I don't know if it'd be my style, but it was so great with the jacket. I loved it. And then the New Balance shoes are so comfortable and versatile and looked really cute with the outfit. All right, I hope you liked our silly try-ons. I hope you liked all the clothes and you wrote down stuff that you want to request on your dressing room to go. Give it a try. There's no harm in it. It's amazing, actually. I love doing it. So again, I hope you liked everything. I thought the outfits were super cute and my sisters were really good sports about it. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notifications every time I post a new video. Thanks so much. Bye.
Like jeans or something.
Yeah, because I don't like it with the...
Yeah, it's weird.
Jean. Shauna Jean is my
Hi,
person.
Shauna Jean. I'm Ava.
Yeah, they know me.
Okay, this is Lily.
Babe, you're gonna come show your fit?
We're gonna be showing the fit.
I'm Van.
Oh,
All right,
prom
and
Prom picture. Ava, come do your Oh my gosh, we got prom pictures together.
It's always fake cut. Lily's always the boy.
I know.
Yeah. Lily is the boy.
the one we're getting married, she's the one wearing like a
repeat that
tux
last
kind of
one.
thing.
Bring man men.
I said Rain Man. You Rain Man?
died.
Look at Raven.
And she's like, sure, it's so fun.
Yeah, I like that.
I was like, you said you would know, and I was like, oh, it's sparkly.
I know.
How do you feel about these jeans?
I like them.
Cute. I like the raw hem too. They're real cute on you.
Yeah.
Those are cute. They fit you really well.
Yeah. They're real
Make your
fun.
butt look good.
And yeah, I think that shirt is a fun fit.
Is it? Do you have the heat on?
Yes, we can turn it down. Or let's just open that door more.